Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have just got my Ice Cream Beauty box for the month of April. I'm really excited about this. I think that they may be killing it again this month. So we'll have to see what's in here. So let's get started. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leave me a comment. I appreciate those things so much, so thank you for that. And here's a sneak peek at what we got in here. I love their new boxes. The best things in life are sweet. So, Ice Cream Beauty. So, there's the box, and then the theme this month is Bunny Kisses and Beauty Wishes. So there's the card, and anyway, they have a thank you on here. I'm not going to read it, but anyway, this, I keep saying I'm going to cut down and probably get rid of this box, but I just love it so much usually. So it's just a fun one to open. But I don't always use all the products. That's the problem. But anyway, so let's get in here. Let's pull out the first thing I see here. This is from Estate Cosmetics, and this is Sorbet, and I believe this is a blush. And I'm just gonna wear my glasses for this, you guys. My reading glasses help me, but I found out I have cataracts, and so I have to have surgery, so I'm not seeing really well right now. So anyway, I'll put my big old glasses on. This is right here. It's valued at $15, and so it's a super blendable gel blush that gives you that just right flush of color. It's a lightweight formula. Let's see what we got here. See if it's my color. It's kind of a mauve-y kind. It's not. I like a little bit more vibrant colors with my blushes. I'm not sure. There we go. That's that. I don't think I'm going to try it because I'm not sure I'm going to keep it. But it is it's a nice product. It feels good. It looks pretty. It's got nice packaging. So, and Estate Cosmetics is a decent brand. So there's our first thing. And then the next thing I have in here is, it's called, this color is Fever. This is a lipstick from Medusa. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And let's see. It's valued at $14. Has a rich pigment, smooth application, and long-lasting formula. So let's see what we got here. Again, I don't know. Sometimes the colors, I don't always get into the colors they send me, but okay. So that's a really pretty color right there. It's kind of a mauve-y, kind of got a plum to it. I actually like that. That's something I might wear. So anyway, so there's that. Like the packaging. Medusa always has fun little makeup products. So there's our second product. The next product I have here is, what is this? From Charmacy, Milano. It's a stellar eyeliner. Now this is a chrome eyeliner, and it's also, let's see, multi-chrome liner by Charmacy Global. It's valued at $21. It's Charmacy's newest addition to their multi-chrome liners. This liner shifts between white, silver, blue, green, and lilac. Use it on top of your colored primers to get a different effect, or on its own for a more subtle effect. So I'm going to share the primers next, so you'll get what I was talking about there. Anyway, so here's what it looks like, the box. So they always have fun packaging, and let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it's a liquid. Look at that. Oh, how pretty is that? Definitely going to try this. Okay, I love the way, look at the colors. I don't know if you're going to see them all. I saw green, blue, mostly seeing pink. Sometimes in the camera, that's what it's going to pick up. It's kind of a white pink. trying to get you to see the green or anything else, but I don't think it's there. A little bit maybe, I don't know. Anyway, this is really fun. So I do like fun multi-chrome eyeliners. So I tend to not wear them very much, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try some more simple looks, simple makeup looks, but then use like a fun eyeliner or something with it. So the next things I have here, these are from Beauty Creations, and I got three of them. They're valued at $6 each. These are eyeshadow primers, and I already have this in pink, and I have it in pink and black, I believe, and I really like them. They stick to your eye anyway, and it just brings out the eyeshadow a little bit more. And so I don't know, I've got a blue, kind of a greenish blue turquoise, and a lilac. So like I said, I already had pink, and then the other package had, I think, a pink, a peach, and a yellow. So I really debated which ones to get, but I ended up going with these. These are, I don't know if I can get it open. So it's just a thick, I don't know how thick it is. I mean, it kind of seems thick when you put it on your eye, I think. But it covers the whole eye, the eyelid, and then it just brings out the color of your eyeshadow. I don't really wear purple. I do wear purples, but I don't really wear blues that much. But I'm going to see about this blue one right here, if I can get it out. Packaging makes me crazy sometimes, you guys, like so crazy. This one's called Starry. I'm doing lots of filming today, and I'm about ready to scream at all the packaging, how hard it is to get some of these products open. But anyway, ooh, I see a really good, I really like this liner. It's really fun. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It comes out just like a drop here. And then you just put it on your eyelid. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. So there it is. It looks pretty powerful, doesn't it? So you can almost use it as an eyeshadow, but it's meant to be a primer base on your eyes. I think it's pretty awesome. So anyway, I think we could do some fun looks with it. I don't know, I'd have to experiment, but I think I could do some whites and creamy colors with this and make a nice little look. But anyway, so there's that. There's those three, $6, and those are really fun products. And the last product I have here, of course, is a palette. You guys know with Eyescream Beauty, they always have a palette in every box, and the boxes are, I think they're $22.50 plus tax. But anyway, this is Bunny Love. It's got a cute little bunnies and butterflies and flowers. So it's very springy. I love that you always get a palette. And let's take a look at this. So sweet. This palette is valued, I believe, at $40. So, and it is it's an eye and face palette, and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. I think that some of these colors would go really nice with some of the, you know, the stuff, the eye primers. It's right along my lines. It's the pink. I love this pink blush. And it's got a shimmer, kind of a white, and I'm supposing that's a highlighter. So there's kind of a blush and highlight right there. And then the middle one is just another blush, a little bit more. Put that one above. So there's the three colors right here. And so pretty. They look like half shimmer, half matte. So I'm just gonna do a couple of these shimmers. Of course, I tend to go to the pinks and the so there's those two pinks, And then we've got just a neutral, got blue on that hand too. There we go, there's that. Then there's a pretty purple here. Look at that, how pretty. So anyway, will definitely use this palette, especially since I sampled it. I really like it. I like the colors in it. So I'm excited about that. So that's the last thing we have in this box. I think, I don't know, they just kill it. That's all I can say, is that Eyescream Beauty kills it too. They really send some fun products, and so I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the eyeshadow palette. I'm excited to use this. So anyway, there's the eyeshadow palette in there. Here's the eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner. That's so pretty. And then we've got our Sobe. This is the blush. I'm not probably going to use this, but it's more of a like a mauve, kind of a little bit darker color than I like to use. So it's more, I don't know, I like brighter pinks. But anyway, that's also a good product. So there's that. Then I've got my three eye primers. So very, very fun. There's kind of a sample of what we got here today with we got our primer, our eyeliner, our blushes from the palette, and blush and highlighter. And then the last thing we have here is the lipstick. It's kind of a plum color. I really like it, from Medusa's Makeup. So that's our fifth. I guess we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, but it's because this was counted as one. These three together, they're $6 each, but they gave us 3. So it was a value of $18 for that product. So high values here. And so anyway, it's fun. Let me know what you guys think of the Eyescream Beauty box. Have you tried it? Is this something you're interested in? Anyway, I'm curious to know what your thoughts are. So leave a comment below and let me know. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.